I'm Andrew Hotchkiss with Witt Lining Systems, your go-to name for protective linings, partly because of our constant product innovation, and I'm proud to show you the newest product to our family, Koro-Mat. Now when it comes to secondary containment applications, our flexible drop-in liners are a great alternative to bonded coatings. That's because our liners have a fast installation time, virtually maintenance-free, and unlike a bonded coating, our liners are unaffected when concrete cracks. Now occasionally we'll get questions about slip resistance in walk areas, and this is where the Koro-Mat comes in. Koro-Mat is a PVC sheeting that can be laid over top of our liner, and it has a long wearing non-directional pattern, giving it excellent slip resistance. Koro-Mat is cut to length with a utility knife, which also allows for fitting into odd-shaped spaces. Koro-Mat can be attached to any of our PVC liners with the use of a vinyl seaming tape. Once installed, the Koro-Mat provides the necessary slip resistance in walk areas. Koro-Mat comes in 2-foot, 3-foot, and 4-foot wide rolls and is available in black, gray, and black with safety yellow striping. If you've been considering a Witt flexible liner for your containment area but are concerned about slip resistance, Koro-Mat is the answer you've been looking for. For more information, follow the link to our website or give us a phone call. Again, I'm Andrew Hotchkiss for Witt Lining Systems. Thank you for watching this video.